installing Tenalie 24 inches from Outre in their Lacefront collection. I'm going to use the red lace tint spray to customize the lace. I didn't pluck or anything with this unit because this is an old school lace front unit. You really can't be doing all that. But it's just put it on and that's what it's going to be. So right here I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to cut the lace. I honestly could have did this without it being on my head. I just feel like when you put it on your head and cut it, it just already lays to the shape of your head and your circumference of your head, and it just lay down a little bit flatter than just cutting it off the lace. So this is what I'm doing. This unit is big head friendly, and if you a wig wearing girl, then you know that Outre Lace Front is the super OG before it was the melted hairlines, before it was the perfect 360 units, all those 5x5 units that Outre has now. These were the original girls. So I went back to what I know, and I tried out Tenalie in this beautiful ombre style. It's like brown to like a lot of brown to a blonde. I really like this wig. I just wish that it had a little bit more party space in the top so that I could, you know, customize stuff like that. But just to throw this one on, it's super cute for the color and it matched my outfit for the day. So I'm going to use even spray to just adhere it to my skin. If you guys don't know, I always spray it underneath on the towel part closest to the ear, just because it never really sticks, because I have a lot of hair right there in my sideburns. And I'm taking my lace melt band and using a little bit of heat just to speed up the melting process. Now it's time for baby hairs. I just took off the smallest piece because, again, y'all, we don't really got that much parting space at the front. So I'm just going to take a little skinny piece and make a little bit of an edge. This unit already did come with like pre-cut edges, but I'm just trying to do a little bit more customization with the little bit of space that we do have. And I'm going to go in with some concealer and use some product to lay my baby hairs down. So I am taking my handy dandy wax stick and I'm going to take my hot comb just to lay this piece down right here. I don't want to be looking like big wig. So I'm taking my hot comb on low heat, about 200 degrees, just to lay it down a little bit more.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. Don't mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. A nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then slip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change all my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel.
So ladies, this is pretty much it. This is the final style. I'm just going to go ahead, like I said previously, and take some concealer and define that part. Yeah, I'm just using some of my Tarte concealer that I got, like a little sample. And that's it, you guys. Make sure to grab Tenalie on mybeautyexchange.com.